If you want to cancel a subscription on your iPhone, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you exactly how to find your subscriptions and cancel any active subscription in just a few minutes. Let us get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen. It is the app with the gear icon. At the very top of the settings page, tap your name. This will open your Apple account settings, where you can manage things like payments, devices, and subscriptions. Next, look for the option called Subscriptions and tap on it. This page will show all of the subscriptions connected to your Apple account. You will see both active subscriptions and inactive subscriptions. Active subscriptions are the ones that are currently being billed, while inactive subscriptions are subscriptions you have already canceled or that have expired. Under the Active section, tap the subscription that you want to cancel. This will open the details page for that subscription. Here you can see information such as the renewal date, pricing, and plan details. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. You should see a button that says Cancel Subscription. Tap it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to cancel. Tap Cancel Subscription again to confirm. And that is it. Your subscription has now been canceled. Even though you canceled the subscription, you can still use it until the end of your current billing period. For example, if your subscription renews on the 15th of the month and you cancel before then, you will continue to have access until that date. After that, the subscription will not renew and you will not be charged again. If you do not see the Cancel Subscription button, it usually means one of two things. Either the subscription has already been canceled, or it was purchased through a different company instead of Apple. In that case, you may need to cancel it directly through that company's website or app, and that is how to cancel a subscription on an iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.